When you stand before the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Travego, it immediately feels like a masterclass in modern coach design. There's a confidence to its stance that speaks to decades of refinement. The exterior wears clean, aerodynamic lines that flow gracefully from the pronounced front fascia to the tapered rear, giving the bus a sense of motion even when standing still. The iconic Mercedes emblem sits proudly at the grille, framed by sleek LED headlamps that not only look sharp but also serve a functional purpose with adaptive lighting for different driving conditions. The panoramic side windows stretch along its body, seamlessly integrated, providing both passengers and passers by a sense of openness and light. The Travego doesn't shout for attention, it commands it, with a kind of understated elegance that comes only from a brand confident in its legacy. The closer you look, the more the build quality comes to the surface. Mercedes-Benz has always been known for precision, and the Travego continues that tradition with a structure that feels incredibly solid. The panel gaps are tight, the doors shut with a reassuring weight, and the materials used on the exterior cladding and trim exude durability. It's designed not just to withstand the rigors of long-haul travel, but to do so with style and consistency over years of service. Operators know that the initial investment is substantial, but the payoff comes in longevity and reliability, qualities that matter when a fleet is expected to run daily with minimal downtime. Step inside, and the atmosphere shifts from sturdy engineering to welcoming comfort. The cabin is expansive, with an immediate sense of openness thanks to the large glass surfaces and clever use of ambient lighting. Rows of premium seats greet you, upholstered in durable yet plush materials with ergonomics carefully considered for long journeys. Reclining functions, adjustable armrests, individual climate vents, and discreetly integrated charging points make passengers feel like the designers thought through every small need. Overhead luggage racks are solid and unobtrusive, while the LED lighting above casts a warm, inviting glow rather than the harsh brightness you might expect in a vehicle this size. The Travego interior is designed not only for efficiency, but also for creating a space where hours on the road can feel surprisingly restful. For the driver, the cockpit feels like an entirely different but equally impressive environment. The seating position is commanding, visibility is wide and uninterrupted, and the steering wheel carries that unmistakable Mercedes-Benz touch of refinement. The dashboard is dominated by a clean digital display cluster, offering all the essential driving data with clarity. To the side, an infotainment system integrates navigation, fleet management tools, and connectivity features, all designed to reduce distraction and keep control intuitive. The tactile feedback of switches and the positioning of controls reinforce a sense of thoughtful ergonomics, showing how much consideration has been given to those who spend hours behind the wheel. Out on the road, the 2026 Travego is more than a large vehicle. It feels engineered to perform with finesse. The new generation of engines delivers ample power while meeting the latest efficiency and emissions standards, and there's a smoothness to the way it accelerates that belies its size. Cruising at highway speeds feels stable and calm, with the suspension absorbing bumps and irregularities in a way that passengers notice as much as drivers do. Steering is precise, not numb, giving the driver confidence even on winding stretches of road. Braking is equally reassuring, bringing the coach to a composed stop without harshness. For a bus of this size, it almost feels effortless, and that ease translates into reduced fatigue for the driver and an improved experience for everyone on board. Technology and safety go hand in hand in this latest Travego. Advanced driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and collision prevention aids work seamlessly in the background, easing the workload while maintaining driver's ultimate control. Passengers benefit too, with climate control that automatically adjusts zones, entertainment systems that allow for streaming and connectivity, and onboard Wi-Fi ensuring no one feels disconnected. The safety architecture is extensive, from the reinforced body structure to intelligent braking systems, ensuring that the Travego not only delivers comfort but also peace of mind for operators and travelers alike. Of course, with such a high-end vehicle, there are challenges. The upfront cost is significant, and with its advanced technology comes the need for specialized maintenance and service, which can raise operating expenses. Fuel economy, while improved, still reflects the realities of moving a vehicle of this size and weight. But for operators who prioritize long-term reliability, brand prestige, and passenger satisfaction, these challenges are more than outweighed by the advantages. Ultimately, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Travego stands as a testament to what modern coach travel can be when design, engineering, and passenger experience are treated with equal importance. It feels luxurious without excess, robust without harshness, and innovative without gimmicks. For passengers, it promises journeys that are smoother, quieter, and more enjoyable. For drivers, it provides a sense of control and confidence, and for operators, it represents a solid, prestigious investment that speaks to their commitment to quality. In every respect, the Travego continues to set the benchmark not just as a bus, but as a symbol of how far road travel has come, and how refined it can be when done the Mercedes-Benz way.